I've been handling auto accidents and related personal injury matters since 1998. We have done a variety of those kinds of cases over the years, both involving property damage and injury. We're a two-person law firm. We handle a limited number of cases. That means we work it. We're not just making a couple of calls to an insurance company to try and settle the case right after we get it. We work it hard to obtain maximum value for our clients. Our firm will handle both motorcycle and truck collisions or accidents, as well as automobile accidents. Car accidents are traumatic events. They can cause emotional injury. You can be injured personally. These can prevent you from working. They can interfere with life at home, can hamper mobility. They can have a devastating effect on life generally. If you have been hurt in a car accident and you discover that the other party does not have insurance, that doesn't necessarily leave you out in the cold. You still have options. There may be uninsured motorist coverage, and it may be that the other party has other assets that you can recover aside from the lack of any insurance policy. In any kind of a circumstance where a person has been hurt or their property damaged, you should always speak to a lawyer before you talk to the other side's lawyer or the other side's insurance company representative. The reason is that the other side's lawyer and their insurance companies are looking to make sure that you recover little or nothing on your claim. That's their job. Our job as the attorney representing you is to make sure that you recover the maximum amount that you can for your case.